How to skip all YouTube ads forever. No ad block is needed. Hey everyone, in this video I show you a method to skip YouTube ads without using any ad blockers. This trick is easy, quick, and doesn't require installing anything, so let's get started. For this option, you can use YouTube Premium. For a completely ad-free experience across all devices, YouTube Premium is the official option, so it's a subscription service, but it removes all ads on YouTube and provides other perks like background play and downloads. If you're open to paying a bit, it's the best solution. However, if you want to avoid paying, here's another trick you can try. Here's a simple trick that works on desktop browsers. While watching a YouTube video, look at the URL in the address bar and add an extra period or a dot right after youtube.com. So it becomes youtube.com/watch and then the rest of the link. Press enter. This can sometimes bypass YouTube ads, but it may not work consistently or on all videos. Some third-party websites and apps aggregate YouTube videos without showing ads, so look up YouTube video aggregators or video playing apps that support YouTube content without ads. Be cautious with these sites as some may not be the safest. If there is a video you watch often, consider downloading it for offline viewing. There are online tools for downloading YouTube videos, so though remember to follow YouTube's terms of service, offline videos can be ad-free. If you're on mobile, tap skip ad whenever possible. You can also tap on the video progress bar to move forward a few seconds and skip that unskippable ads faster. Remember, these methods may not be foolproof or work on all devices, and YouTube may patch some of these tricks over time. That's it for today's video. If this helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.